people.
So today, well, yesterday we had planned out that we were gonna go to Lake Mead today and take some good pictures and stuff, and like just to hang out.
Yeah, for the past week it's been sunny, hot. Today has to be cloudy because we want to go do something.
Yeah.
I mean, which is not a bad thing. It's not hot, but we wanted to take some good quality pictures. Yeah, there's no sun.
Sucks, right? But we're still gonna go. Hopefully we get some good shots and some good footage, you know? Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I don't know if I'm too loud or I'm too low. It's just the car is so loud. But yeah, so it's been a while since I've been to Lake Mead. I actually don't remember when was the last time I actually went to Lake Mead. I'll close mine too. Okay. We're not gonna go exactly into Lake Mead or anything. I mean, that would be awesome, but they charge you to go to Lake Mead now. It's stupid, but I remember when it used to be free. There's some people who get around with it, and, you know, like they go in for free, but it's illegal.
No. Just don't go where it's like the beach area. Like where there's a Boulder Beach. Don't go there. They'll charge you. Instead, take the back roads. End up on some side of the shore somewhere.
Yeah, that's kind of weird though, because the beach area is like sand, right? Like it's sand, right? And the place where they charge you is where it has a bunch of rocks and stuff, and I'm like, it's confusing. But I think it's probably because there's a lot of people who boat, you know, and they take their boats out, and that's probably why they charge them. So it's just gonna be us three. Adrian stood at home today. He got out of school, and I didn't want him to be in the heat anymore. I mean, it's not that hot. It does feel a little musky though.
Close the windows.
Yeah, close the windows. Alright, well, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Okay.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground.
Hello.
So we're in,
Boulder City.
yeah, I can't want to say Lake Mead, but Lake Mead's over there.
So far away.
Yeah.
We're just standing at a viewing point where you can see it. Surprisingly, there's no other people here. Usually it's packed here, but usually it's sunny too. Yeah, there's residential area for Boulder City. Mountains, hills, more houses.
You guys want to see Booger? He thinks he's good at a good flash. Mommy takes too many pictures of you, huh? He loves to flash at him. Yep. So this is it.
Well, we're gonna go closer. We're gonna go to Hoover Dam too. Hopefully there's some good parking, so we have to walk too far. But yeah, we just have to take this road Get back on the interstate. Head to Hoover Dam.
Wait, we're going to Hoover Dam?
Yes, Hoover Dam. And we'll take some pictures over there.
Maybe.
We'll cross over to Arizona.
Okay, that's too much now.
What are you talking about? That's time travel.
Time traveling?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the when you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am when you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
So we're now in Arizona. Oh man, it's quite dark. Hope you guys can see me. But we are now in Arizona, and this is my first time being in Arizona. Can't really say I'm in Arizona though, if you think about it, because we're in like Hoover Dam. When we crossing Arizona, I guess you could say. So where's our parking? There?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the park in Arizona? Sucks. I have to go far up. Alright. Let's just hope it's not like the movie San Andreas where Hoover Dam collapses from an earthquake today. Just my luck, right? Our luck, I should say. Oh gosh, I'm an unlucky person.
Hey guys, we're over here at Hoover Dam, but apparently we made it too late to walk on the dam. I mean, we're gonna go up the little way up a little bit, and we're gonna take some pictures and stuff, record some stuff. But the dam, there's a recording saying that the dam is closed to pedestrians, so everybody's leaving right now. So apparently we made it here a little too late. But we'll try another time to actually get, be on the dam. But right now we're in Arizona, so we're gonna head up the street a little bit, take some pictures and stuff. Okay. Hey guys, over here at Hoover Dam right now, and this camera got some good lighting. It's like really dark here, and obviously you can actually see, but it's like darker not on camera, so it makes it illuminate like the mountains and stuff, so it's pretty good. But look at that line, that white line is like just empty water where it used to be, and it's just over time it's depleting. It used to be right where that white line is, which was kind of like right next to the rim of the Hoover Dam, but right now it's pretty low, about 3 stories maybe.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
We're still in Boulder City. Unfortunately, the dam was closed, so we couldn't walk on the dam. Tried to get to the Sky Bridge. Couldn't get to the Sky Bridge from the Arizona side anyways. And by the time we got back into Nevada and we're heading back here to Boulder City, we decided not to do it because it was already getting too dark. So we're back in Boulder City. We were thinking about eating, but we're not gonna eat. Not even hungry. There's this nice diner here that we were thinking about that we were gonna eat, but we're not hungry, so we're not gonna eat. So we're probably just gonna head back home. Probably make some stops on the way. But anyways, we stopped by Boulder City. We went to the 99 store right here. We just got a few things, some things for my other channel. I'm trying to make stuff, so I got some stuff to make stuff. But anyways, if you want to check that out, be on my other channel. But anyways, not right now. There's like no people there. There's no people there. I only got like 6 subscribers, and they're just subscribing to me just to be stupid, I guess. I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Stupid.
Yeah.
You calling the subscribers
No,
stupid?
they're not stupid.
Okay, don't join his because he's mean to his subscribers.
No, which is I only got 6 subscribers after like 4 years. That's because I haven't uploaded videos.
That's because he don't do nothing.
But I'm doing stuff now.
Hey, but you can go see my makeup tutorials. I make videos daily. Just kidding, not daily. Like 2 times a week. I try to at least. Very hard with the baby. And stop getting my neck because my neck is fat.
And they got them laughing in the background too.
Here. Does it look more fat?
Yes. Anyway, my goal for this channel is that I want to upload daily. It's kind of hard for me because I do have a job.
It's not going to be daily though, right?
Maybe. I want to upload daily.
Well, like influencers, what they say is
yes, yeah, influencers.
don't start off daily vlogs or
because
else
it
you're
burns
gonna,
you out.
Yeah.
It burns you out. Not me though. I'm Andrew.
No. He says that now, but watch, I'm gonna take video of him and I'm gonna say, so what happened to Team Gizmo? And he's gonna be like, what do you mean? He knows he's not gonna want to upload.
Well, my goal is to upload every day because it's just hard for me, I think. I mean, I want to. It's just hard for me because I have a job and I'm a manager at that job. So it's like, it's kind of hard because I got to manage things. I don't have time to slack off. And I'm trying to work for a promotion too.
Hey,
so.
Babe, is this for the butt or is this for your face to sleep on?
It's for your face.
So I like this.
Yeah, then you stick your tongue out in it. Just like that. Yeah.
We think alike. I can hear my echo outside.
Anyways, we got the booger back here. He's probably doing something.
You know, if you're doing it like that, it's gonna be upside down for them to see it.
Well, let's turn the cameras upside down then.
I still want to try that taco place too.
There's a Mexican restaurant right there.
Dude, I'm like super craving tacos. Like I'm actually saying like Mexican tacos, not homemade tacos. Because since I've been making homemade tacos, I want someone else's tacos. That sounds so wrong.
But anyways, we're gonna head out. I'm gonna start driving again, so I can't hold the camera and drive.
Well, it's not like we can anyways because it's dark.
Well, I can drive and hold the camera. It's just that I'm on the interstate too, so
I'm saying it's dark, babe. They won't see us. They'll hear our voices.
Okay.
So we're at Walmart. Decided to go to Walmart for a little bit. Baby fell asleep. He's tired. Him. He's so pretty, huh? My sweet baby. Don't wake him up.
Every time we go out, we go to Walmart, we go to Target, we go to Kmart, we go to all these stores. I always walk out with one thing. A new pair of glasses. Always. I'm starting to build a collection of glasses. Like this one I'm wearing now. This was the latest one. Right? Nice pair set. Today, I found some more. These ones are the ones I'm going to walk away with today. Nice. It has like the orange tint to it. You can see, oh, you can see my camera. Yay! But instead of having like the plastic eyepiece, it has a silver with the rubber tip. I like these ones. These ones are nice. Add to my collection. I wanted to go testing my rockets today, but I overslept. I wanted to go out into the desert and test my rockets, the rocket fuel for sugar rockets, but didn't get a chance to. We ended up going to Lake Mead. Maybe another day I'll test them out. Right now I'm doing a dry solution, so hopefully it works out well. After I do this dry solution, I'm going to make the wet solution where I cook the ingredients, make into like a putty, kind of like Play-Doh. Then it should be more stable or unstable. I'm not really sure how it's going to be, but that one should be work much better than dry solution. Hey guys, we're in the electronics center right now. We were checking out the laptops and the desktops and like the all-in-one desktops. We're thinking about getting a desktop computer because we're just using the regular laptop right now, and it's only like 4 gigabytes of RAM, so it's like it's not really that great as in making videos. We need more processor, more RAM. We need to get a minimum of 8 instead of 16 would be nice, but can't afford that right now. But when we get enough money, we'll get a desktop so our videos will come out on time and we can make better videos. We're also going to upgrade from our free movie maker once we get our laptop, so we'll have a computer to run the system. 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yep, that's what we're going to get, and upgrade to a better software system so our videos will be much better. Shut up. Alright guys, this was funny, this was like hilarious. She's over here in the clearance item. She's all looking at this, right? She's like, this is like $10 normally. I'm looking at it. It says $4.30. You save $1.44. That's not $10, that's $6. That's hilarious. I find that funny. Alright guys, we're home now. We had a very fun day. We went to Hoover Dam. We went to Arizona, on the other side of Arizona. I wanted to go on the Sky Bridge so I could just view it from the Hoover Dam from up there, but it got really dark, so we didn't get a chance to. We also didn't get a chance to walk the Hoover Dam. It's because, well, we got there too late, which sucks, but we'll try to get there another time, and we'll walk the bridge. We'll take some footages and things like that. Well, if you enjoyed our little adventure with us, please hit that like button if you liked the video too. It's awesome. We had a lot of fun. We expect to do more, go a lot more places. I'm thinking about going to the Grand Canyon, which is about 6 hours away from here. So that might be in another video. Probably not soon, probably in a couple of months maybe, when I have time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Write down in the comments below what you think of our day. Any suggestions? We're in Vegas, so any suggestions where we should go next? That's either close by. I mean, you could say we can go somewhere else, but just write down in the comments what you guys think and just hit us up. Yeah. Well, anyways, have a good day. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.